Before stars were born, before time began, there was only emptiness, and one sound, Om. In Hindu belief, Om is the sound of creation, the first vibration that gave birth to the universe. Om consists of three sacred sounds: A. Waking, U. Dreaming, Mam. Deep sleep. Together they form a stage beyond consciousness. The sound of Om connects all being to the cosmos. It heals, balances, and activates the chakras. Even after thousands of years, the vibration of Om still echoes within our soul. Om.